For today's video guys, I will show you how to eat one of the exotic food in the world. Alam nyo guys, ito yung guys, ito yan, how to eat this food. Oh, bigyan natin konti. And you will shake out this dish and use straw and use like that.
Oh, ako patatawa naman yung putang ito.
Wow, so yummy. Yummy. See? No more.